Hello students of class 4th, welcome to my Narmada school. Today is your second class of English. So take out your books and we will continue at chapter number 1. So in last class we have completed reading of our first chapter, which is plant trees. If you have not seen the video, so please first you watch the first video, then this, because in this video we are going to start our chapter exercise, which is filling the blanks or completing the sentence, true, false, everything. So if you have not read the chapter, then you cannot you will not get this exercise. So first go and see the explanation of this chapter. So children, take out the page number 11. Here we will going to start our chapter exercise. Your very first exercise is multiple choice question, which is choose the correct answer. Here 3 options are given. From this you have to select the correct answer and tick that answer in this circle. Okay, so shall we start? I hope you are having books in front of you all. Okay, no one will sit idle. Your very first question is, Raju is going to participate in the dash. So where did Raju was going to participate? TV show, annual function, or a movie? So Raju is going to participate in annual function. So your second option is correct. Now next is, Raju is playing a part of. So which role did Raju got? You know very well, Raju was playing the role of tree. So here your correct option is third option, which is tree. Now question number 3, Dinesh is playing a part of. So whose role did Dinesh was playing? King, courtier, or tree? Children, courtier means the other servants of the servants in the king court. जो भी उनके मंत्री वगैरह होते हैं ना, ministers in the king's court, they were known as courtier. So which role did the Dinesh played? He was the king. Okay, so your correct option is first option, which is king. Last question, the play is about emperor. Emperor is also means king. Okay, it is the synonym of king. So which play is about emperor? Akbar, Ashoka, or Porus? It was of Ashoka. Okay, so your second option is correct. Now is your second exercise. Here some lines from the chapter is given. You have to find this line in this chapter and complete the sentence. Okay, so complete the following sentences with the line given here. Your first line is, Raju wants to check his bag to dash. Half line is only given, you have to complete it. So children, if you are having any doubt, you can turn the page. So children, on page number 8 you can see, I check my bag to see if I have taken everything. So Raju was checking his bag to see that if he had taken everything or not. So how you will write the question answer? Raju wants to check his bag to see if he had taken everything. Okay, children, you just understand these lines and don't write it. I will give you this line in your assignments. Okay, so Raju wants to check his bag to see if he had taken everything. Now second line is when Raju say a weak hello. When Raju say a weak hello. So here on page number 8 you can see when Raju reached to his school, his friend greeted him very nicely, but Raju was replying very weakly like hello. So this makes his friend laugh even more. By saying this, his friend started laughing at him. So how you will write? Here, when Raju say a weak hello with a serious face, his friends started laughing more. What happened? His friends started laughing more on him. Now, your third line is Dinesh, who is playing a part of king. So here it is also written Dinesh, who is playing a part of king. So from here you will continue the line, which is Dinesh, who was playing the part of king in the play, is calm. He tries to calm down Raju too. So same line you have to write it down here. Dinesh, who is playing the part of king, is calm. He tries to calm down Raju too. Okay? Now, fourth line. When the curtain come down, dash. So, here in the last para it is given, when the curtain came down and Raju opened his eyes and he can see that all his friends have gathered around him. So same line you have to write it down here. Get it? Now, your third question, which is you have to write true and false. True for the correct and false for the incorrect. And you will write T for true and F for false. So your first question is, Raju and his mother are waiting for the bus at the bus stop. So children, if you have read the chapter, you can answer this. Raju and his mother was waiting on bus stop? No, Raju and his father was waiting. So this statement is incorrect, false. So here you will write F, false. Then next question. Raju reaches the school half an hour late. Did Raju came late to his school? No, he was on time. So it is also false. Raju feels stressed before the play. Did Raju was nervous, worried? Yes, he was worried. So he feel stressed. स्ट्रेस्ड का मतलब होता है थोड़ा टेंशन लेना, परेशान होना. ओके, सो यस, ही वॉज स्ट्रेस्ड. सो हियर यू विल राइट ट्रू, टी. ओके, नाउ Emperor Ashoka plants many trees along the road. Did Emperor Ashoka planted trees? Yes. So here you will write T, true. Okay. Now a true false are also completed. Your next exercise is read the lines and answer the following questions as given. So here some lines are given from the chapter. You have to answer the question by seeing these lines. Okay. So first let us read the lines. Raju, we did that once before. We left home and once after we reached the bus stop. Children, this line we have studied in starting of our chapter. Here Raju's father was saying this statement that Raju, we did that once before, we left home and once after we reached the home. This means they have checked the bag 2 times. Still Raju wanted to check his bag again, that if he had taken everything or not. So question is, who says these words? So who says? Raju's father said these words to Raju. Who said? Raju's father. राजू के पापा ने ये लाइन्स बोली थी. किससे बोली थी? राजू से. ओके, नाउ टर्न योर पेज your second question is what did they do once before? उन्होंने पहले भी क्या कर चुके थे? They have checked their bags once before at their home. So your answer is they had checked Raju's bag once before. Okay? Now next question is who wants to do it again? कौन दोबारा से अपना बैग चेक करना चाह रहा था? सो वी नो दैट राजू वॉज वरीड, सो ही वॉन्टेड टू डू इट अगेन. सो योर आंसर इज राजू वॉन्टेड टू डू इट अगेन. ओके, हैव यू गॉट इट? नाउ second line is given here and then 3 questions are also given according to this line. You have to answer the question. Your line is, it seems as if there's storm coming up. Thank God that no one was standing under the tree when it fell. So we know that when Raju was playing the role of tree, suddenly he fell and audience started laughing on him, clapping loudly. But Dinesh somehow covered the role and he said, it seems as if there is a storm coming up. Thank God that no one was standing under the tree when it fell. So who said this line? Dinesh. Okay? Now turn the page and take a look to your questions. Your first question is, why does Dinesh say these words? तो दिनेश ने ऐसा क्यों बोला था? टू ओवरकम द फॉल. ओवरकम मतलब होता है किसी गलती को ठीक कर लेना, है ना, अपनी मिस्टेक सुधार लेना. टू ओवरकम द फॉल ऑफ राजू ऑन द स्टेज, दिनेश सेड दीज वर्ड्स. तो राजू सडनली स्टेज पे गिर गया था और सडनली पूरा रोल ख़राब हो जाता, पूरा प्ले ख़राब हो जाता, इसलिए दिनेश ने ये लाइंस बोली थी. ओके, नाउ second question is, what would have happened if someone was standing under the tree? अब ज़रा आप खुद सोचो, आप किसी पेड़ के नीचे खड़े हो और सडनली वो पेड़ गिर जाए तो क्या होगा? You will get hurt now. So same here, he would get hurt very badly as tree will fall on him. So if someone was standing under the tree, he would get hurt very badly because tree will fall on him. Okay? Now our last question, which is third question, was the tree supposed to fall? Children, आप खुद इमेजिन करो, आप किसी प्ले में हो और सडनली कोई बच्चा पीछे ट्री का रोल प्ले कर रहा है और सडनली वो गिर जाए तो क्या आपका प्ले खराब हो जाएगा? बिल्कुल हो जाएगा, क्योंकि ये तो एक्टिंग का पार्ट नहीं था. सो वॉज द ट्री सपोज टू फॉल? नो, ट्री शुडंट फॉल. ट्री को नहीं गिरना चाहिए था. ओके, सो हियर आवर question answers are also completed. Children, if you are getting any kind of problem in this, you can ask to me, you can message me, or if you missed anything, you can rewind the video. Videos का एक फ़ायदा बहुत अच्छा है कि आपका कुछ मिस होता है तो आप रिवाइंड कर सकते हो, है ना. So children, if you have not written the questions and answers, don't worry, I will send you pictures in your assignment. So from there you download the picture and complete your work. Okay, and all these questions which we have done today, you have to write it down in your fair note copy. Okay, आपको अपनी fair copy में ये सब लिखना है. ठीक, चलिए, तो आज की क्लास यहीं ओवर करते हैं. फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल कंटिन्यू एंड चिल्ड्रन, you have to see the video and don't miss any class. Okay, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.